Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a simple and healthy curry leaf drink using fresh curry leaves. This drink is great for reducing cholesterol, improving digestion, controlling blood sugar, and supporting hair health. Here I have my already washed and dried curry leaves. Start by adding handfuls of cleaned and dried curry leaves into the blender. Pour in a small amount from the 100 or 150 milliliters of water and blend until the leaves turn into a smooth green mixture. Once it becomes smooth, add the rest of the water and blend again to get a lighter, smoother mixture. Now strain the mixture using a fine sieve or a clean cloth to remove the pulp. Add a little lemon juice for freshness and a small amount of honey if you like a mild sweetness. Avoid adding sugar. You'll get a refreshing, light green detox drink. Drink this shot immediately, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Have it 3 to 4 times a week to naturally support cholesterol reduction, digestion, and overall wellness. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more natural remedies and healthy recipes. Thank you so much for staying with Flavortown. See you in the next video.